We have 2 bikes here for you that we are doing a review on. And my husband is going to show you how easy it is to put together. Well, you're going to show us how easy or how hard it is. Go please. Thank you. I'm going to have to sit so I can get the right angle. There we go. Nothing is like, whoa. Okay.
Yeah, take me back.
Do you need those scissors? Oh, you got the scissors. Okay. So from out of the box. Hey, can you hand me my watch on the thing over there, and then I'll see how long it takes to put it together. Alright, so it is now 12:26:50. You feel like you're on a game show trying to do it as fast as you can, or you're just doing it normally?
Hey, Carlos.
Just doing it.
Let me take that collar off of her, please.
It's off. It's off.
Thank
This
you.
color?
And then my
Yes.
blanket is filled up.
Thank you, Lily. Please stop moving it around.
Now, is it 5 minutes to take this apart, or 5 minutes to put it all together?
Don't know.
Because they also part alone more than 5 minutes. That's the 5 minutes after you get everything out of the wrapping.
Could be.
There it is.
Did your handlebar come with the inches on that thing? Measurements?
I don't know.
Who put your back together?
I don't remember. Go wash your hands. Be careful, there are some with wires somewhere. You guys can talk. I didn't say you had to be quiet. I'll do a voiceover on this. What's that?
The bike's on.
What about the chain's too tight? The PAS won't work.
What? What?
Walk the bike to pass 0. There, figure out what's going on.
Walk the bike past 0? What?
Good
This is
chain.
what it said. It's not saying electric bikes. Private installation has arrived.
And what?
Private installation has arrived.
Oh.
Maybe there's a pack.
You know what? You have to have it up first. Don't do it first. You have to have it.
Maybe.
Go help Dad. And move the handlebars when he swings it around.
Right now, that's not the problem. Kickstand's the problem.
Lily, scoot back a little bit. So I can have him. Okay, go to the other side. Go to the other side. There you go.
So I guess the bikes fold out.
Yes.
There's even a light here. I wonder what the horn sounds like.
Lily, do not push it yet. It needs to get all set up together. Lily,
Not sure.
what are you doing?
See how this works.
The
No.
kickstand? Oh, there's only 2 keys on here. I just found one right here.
The keys you think you need.
I thought there's only one. But I guess there's only 2. Can I set this there?
Just
Alright.
wait.
What's
All right.
that? I think I said for the this problem.
Oh,
So
there's another way in the bottom.
go to the rack.
No. Just wait.
You can go over the couch.
No, I don't want extra things in the video. In the.
Put the dogs there. That'd be fun. If I can say I could
I don't know.
fold it.
Stop. Just wait.
I ready to do that.
Probably, already.
How?
Wow. That thing goes out.
That's so.
Oh wow. It has something on the back of it. Oh, put it back up and I'll show you. See?
Yep.
Measurements.
Okay. Now you want to put it all the way down for the
There's
kids.
where it pops
Oops.
Too low for kids.
Well, we'll figure that part out later.
out. Yeah, we will. Hi, girls. I think right here. Oh, I think that this is the gear.
That's the throttle. Lily, don't move stuff. It's gonna cabulate.
I don't know if this button.
Cabulate?
Horn. I
Collaborate.
don't know if this
Probably.
button is
Just wait.
horn.
Just wait.
I think it is.
Kettles is gonna get in the box.
Well, she was one.
She almost jumped in it. Okay, okay.
She
Oh,
wants
look,
in
there's
there.
instructions.
Okay, Lily, set it down. Lily, come here. Lily, come here.
My time?
No.
Why don't you come over and hold it right there for Dad? You can hold it right there. You gotta hold it steady.
Then I guess I'll help.
Now look in there and make sure you're seeing Dad's face and the bike.
May I go help?
No. You're gonna stay over here. Riley, I said stay over here. Now get over here.
Can I sit down and watch
No.
from there?
You can see if it's the right angle. Put it right there. Just make sure it's the right angle. See Dad and the bike.
It's the bike and the...
Okay.
Is that the handle?
Yes, keep going.
Can't keep going.
Why?
Because the front wheel's like that.
Maybe it's supposed to go like that.
That's to make it foldable.
Here, I can probably put my legs between here.
No,
and
just
you
wait
turn
till
it.
he tells you what to do,
So it's
please.
like has to sit somewhere like that. I can't see it being sideways.
That's not the handlebars,
Look,
though.
the pretty blue.
That is how it is in the other vlogs I've seen.
Off to the side like that?
Yes,
Okay.
because it can fold and be compact.
Gotcha.
So it goes like this and it's gonna go.
Don't push on it, please. Just wait.
Mm.
That's not fun. Lily, I don't want you collaborate.
I'm not.
What is it called?
I don't know. Well, first off, it's not turned on.
No, but if she's turning the gears, she might mess up.
I'm not turning the gear. This is a gear. and
Charge
I'm
battery
putting it
for
over
first
here.
use.
Yes. Well, that's to get a full. That's to get a
So
full.
we're going to have to keep
15
this in the
miles.
house.
No,
Then we're going to.
I don't know yet, Lily. Okay.
No. Right hand, please, if I can actually pinch it down there.
We're going to need to do that for me.
Yes, that'll move.
Can this be my bike?
Hold on.
The front brakes work. What about the... Is there any back brakes?
Why?
Is there any back brakes?
It's stopping on its own.
Oh yeah, because
There's back and front.
this one might be the... Because on my bike, this one handles the back brake, including one of these. Including one of these.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna. Can you see the time on there?
No.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay, Lily, not yet.
I think it's 5 minutes once you get all the packaging off.
Okay. Well, it was 10 minutes altogether. So. All right. So what else you got to do?
I'll plug it in.
Okay, wait.
Where
It
did
says-
the electric stuff go?
Yeah, where's the battery? Oh, the battery's up there.
Get in here.
Okay. Well,
It must be.
okay, hold on, Lily. I'm gonna take you outside and we'll do it. Let's see how full the battery is. How do you check how much battery is in it,
It
babe?
says charge before using. Let it charge before you use it. Okay, listen to the instructions.
Okay. All right, the bike is all put together. Lily, are you excited to try a bike out?
Yeah.
Okay, sell out. Okay, Daddy's gonna plug it in for the first.
I can show them where the.
Keyhole is. It's kind of an awkward place for the key.
Yeah.
You gotta move the wires, get it in there, and then turn it.
And if the key falls
Okay.
out.